In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send reminders to signers in Docusign. If you're using Docusign to manage your digital signatures and agreements, you undoubtedly know how handy it can be to send reminders to signers who might need that extra nudge. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First off, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Docusign website. It's the #1 platform for electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, and you'll be using that for this task. Once you're there, the next thing to do is to locate the login button, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the website. Click on it to navigate to the login page. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your Docusign account securely. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign home. This is your main dashboard where you can see an overview of your account activities and pending tasks. From here, you're going to look for the Start button, usually well highlighted to get your attention. Clicking this button will begin the process of preparing documents to be sent for signature. Your next stop will be accessing the advanced options for sending your document. On this screen, look for the Advanced Options button and click it. This will open up additional settings that are crucial for customizing how you send your documents, including setting reminders for those oh so important signers. Within the advanced options, the next step is to click on Reminders. Here you can configure when you'd like reminders to be sent out. This is incredibly useful for keeping your documents at the top of your signers' minds, ensuring they don't overlook your requests. You can set up specific intervals and frequencies that fit with your needs. Maybe every few days or perhaps every week. It's all up to you and what works best in your scenario. Once you've set your reminders, don't forget to save your settings. This ensures that the reminders will go out as configured, prompting your signers as necessary. And just like that, you're back to more efficiently managing your documents and getting those essential signatures. So, to quickly recap, we've gone through logging into Docusign, navigating to the start of the document preparation, accessing advanced options, and setting those crucial reminders. With these steps, you can now confidently ensure that your signers stay engaged and complete their parts of the process in a timely manner. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in enhancing your Docusign experience.